Welcome, here I've got ZTE Blade V2020 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap to the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner. When we pick this button we can open the advanced camera settings. Here we can see add ZTE watermark automatically option and also add date watermark automatically, so we can pick between two watermarks, the device one and the date one. By using these buttons from the right we can easily turn them on and off as we need, and for now let me keep it turned on to see them at the real picture. So let's move back to the camera and take a photo. Now let's go to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is our photo with watermarks at the bottom. Let's get closer. From the left we have ZTE Blade V2020 watermark, so the device one, and from the right we have the date watermark. And of course when we don't need them we have to go back to the camera, then to the left corner settings, and use these buttons to turn them off. So for now when we take another picture the watermarks should be not visible at it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.